Chocolate is a key ingredient in many food such as milkshakes, candy bars and cookies. It is ranked as one of the most favorite flavors in North America and Europe. Despite its popularity, most people do not know the unique origins of the popular treats. So friends, in this video I will show you how chocolates are made in factory. The process starting from involves harvesting cocoa, refining cocoa to cocoa beans and shipping the cocoa beans to the manufacturing factory for cleaning and grinding. These cocoa beans will then be imported or exported to other countries and be transformed into different type of chocolate product. In factory, a conveyor belt moves them through a cleaning system. A series of sieves that screen out twigs, stones and other debris. Next step is a micronized revolving drum that heats the cocoa beans to loosen their shells. Then they enter a shell removing machine called a winnower. Inside successive racks drag the beans across a screen, pulling off large pieces of shell. Then a vacuum sucks away the remaining smaller pieces, removing the shell exposed the inside of the cocoa bean, which is called the cocoa nib. The roasting process makes the shells of the cocoa brittle and the cocoa nibs pass through a series of sieves, which strain and sort the nibs according to the size in a process called is winnowing. The grinding process generates heat and the dry granular consistency of the cocoa nib a liquid as the high amount of fat content in the nib melts. The cocoa mass is mixed with cocoa butter and sugar. In the case of milk chocolate, fresh sweetened condensed or roller dry low heat powder whole milk is added, depending on the individual manufacture formula and manufacturing method. After the mixing process, the blend is further refined to bring the particle size of the added milk and sugar down to the desired fitness. After blending is complete, molding is the final procedure for chocolate processing. These steps allow cocoa mass to cool and harden into different shapes depending on the molds. Finally, wrapping and packaging machines will pack the chocolates and then they will be ready to transport it.